After a long break, Edo State House of Assembly don resume plenary on Monday, 28 July 2025. For the sitting, the Speaker welcomed two lawmakers wey just waka comot from People's Democratic Party (PDP) go join the All Progressive Congress (APC). These lawmakers dem na Honourable Andrew Uzamere wey dey represent Ovia North East 2 and Honourable Oje Inegebo wey dey represent Igwebe constituency. As the Speaker dey talk, im yarn say na the people matter suppose always come first before any personal or party wahala. He talk say if to remain for opposition go slow development for your people, e good make person change camp. He hail Honourable Inegebo for the move to APC and say him show support for Esan person to become governor.
I want to especially welcome two members of the PDP into this board. Honourable Uzamere, representing Ovia North East, yesterday was received by the party chairman from Agbebaku and Governor in Okada. So today, a member representing Ovia North East is now a member of the All Progressive Congress. You are welcome to this family. This is all about interest, not your interest. The interest of your people. The interest of your people. If where you are now, you belong to your area, please, you are not easy to stay Alasa. So you are welcome to Saturday in Igwebe, in Udo is a country road. You are welcome to the APC Hon. You said one thing. You said era has passed. Now you are becoming EDHA. Now EDHA has come to stay. That for you to go to APC, rather work for the EDHA. So I want to let you that. I'm sure from this party will bring more democracy to your people. So thank you very much.
Majority Leader Honourable Jonathan Ibamawu talk say he dey happy as APC dey strong pass for the house now with over 20 members. He still yarn say two PDP members go join APC, and if that one happen, na only minority leader and minority whip go remain for opposition side.
Mr. Speaker, I thank God that we have all gone for our recess and we are back here in good health. Mr. Speaker, I'm so excited today that this half we have gotten 2 more new members into our fold. We have 20 members of the House now having the minutest number of votes. And I think very soon I will be able to reclaim 2 again. So that the majority leader, Mr. Speaker, look, Marka, the 2 I believe, one will be minority leader, minority leader. So, Mr. Speaker, I think the family is an open one. We are ready to work together with them. I've started integrating them since yesterday. And let me use this medium, Mr. Speaker, to say we have a party for them this evening. Every other member is invited, even those that are on the other side. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honourable Osezwa Ojezele, wey dey represent Esa South-East, still follow talk. He welcome Honourable Inegebo as he join APC and talk say 2 more defections dey come. He still talk say for all the 990 state assembly members for Naija, about 70% na APC, as that na correct majority. He also welcome Honourable Uzamere as he yarn say he don already know say that one go finally join APC.
Mr. Speaker, like I said before in this chamber, that Obiasa is the immediate younger brother of Udo, the founder of Udo Kingdom. I am very glad today to welcome the honorable member representing all the people of Igwebe State constituency for joining our great party. Mr. Speaker, what in law they call ipso facto. I'm trying to tell you today that it's a fact that the remaining 4 people very soon 2 will be with us. Just like the majority leader said, that only the minority leader and minority whip will be left there. No problem, we can leave that because for now, we have gotten 20 out of the 24 members in this green chamber. Mr. Speaker, just as I've always said in this chamber, we have 990 House of Assembly members in Nigeria. I'm glad to tell you that out of that 990 members of House of Assembly in Nigeria, we have recorded and we have gotten a handful number up to 70% of this member in APC. For the man representing Ovia Northeast 2, fondly called Agbebaku, you are highly welcome. Long ago I knew that you were going to join us because I know you have always played that fatherly figure, that fatherly role. There is no way you can play it with minority. Hence, you have come to join us. I especially welcome you, and I know your coming is phenomenal. Your coming is going to change some things as far as the caucus members in this chamber is concerned.
As APC dey gather more strength, the speaker still remind everybody say the house still be one family, no matter the party where them belong. The house come adjourn sitting go Tuesday 29 July 2025. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. You know they take blame. Oh, he fame or no Simon. TMC News.